Hi everyone, it's Bain again, and welcome to a new tutorial of mine where I show you how to use your USB pen drive as RAM. Okay, let's do it. Step 1. Connect your USB to your computer. Step 2. Move to the This PC icon and double-click on it. Once open, move to your pen drive icon and right-click on it. Move down to Properties. Click on it. Once open, go to the Ready Boost tab and activate it. Now, you can adjust the size of the pen drive you want to use as RAM on this area. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will leave mine as the default settings. Select, click on Apply. It will take a while. Once done, click on OK. You can now see the pen drive is halfway full if you chose the default settings as I did. If you get an error message, it means that your device does not meet the requirements. You just have to look for another pen drive which suits the requirements. This feature is available for Windows 7 and above. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to help more people, and see you next time in the future tutorials.